After downloading the project from the Landian webpage, we unzip and run the launcher. Then we go to the Connect Wallet option and generate a new connection from the mobile device. Now authorize, and the option to start will be activated. At this moment, the wallet information is being loaded. This process will take a few seconds or minutes depending on the amount of lots in the wallet. The most important key will be the T key. You press it to activate the lot finder. Let's start. Welcome to Landian Tier 1. The line that marks the ground will indicate the perimeter of the lot we have selected. We will also be able to cover a few more meters to be able to explore the map. With the Tab key, we can see the Inputs menu in case we have forgotten it. With the P key, we can configure different items of screen resolution and audio. In the lower right part of the screen, we find a map that shows us the location of our avatar and our terrain according to Tier 1. And let's explore other lots. We activate the T key. Now we get a bar where we can manually place the nomenclature that we see in the NFT. In this case, we are going to visit this land of 331 square meters in plane. Click on this icon and click on Visit My Land. The camera will move to the coordinates where we have the lot. We wait a few seconds and soon we'll get there. The level of detail and physics are impressive. Let's check out this lot in the jungle biome. Now let's go to Tundra. Let's visit the forest. Finally, let's get to know the desert. The graphic quality we will find in Landian is amazing. The most realistic metaverse in the world. We hope you enjoyed this experience as much as we do. Remember to press Escape to exit the experience.